Okay, assuming po as what we did, okay, we download a VirtualBox from the internet. So ngayon po, dahil ang version na yun ay 7 point something, so ngayon, assuming na ito na yun sa VirtualBox, no, downloaded from that net. By the way, all throughout this video series tutorial for computer system servicing po, ay ito po yung ginamit ko, VirtualBox version 6.0. So don't worry, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng link para ma-download nyo po. Kasi kung gagamitin po natin yung 7, no, version 7 na updated, ay malamang baka may magbago sa pag-configure. Okay, so assuming na download na natin, so right click, run as administrator. You will be prompted like, do you want to allow? Yes. Okay, welcome to the Oracle VM VirtualBox 6.1.40 setup wizard. So next lang po. Next lang po natin. No? Huwag na po natin to kasi default niya yan. Okay, create, start, menu string, entries, shortcut to the desktop, create the shortcut keys, blah blah blah. Okay, so next. So warning, network interfaces, installing Oracle networking feature will reset your network connection. Don't worry. So install. So installing our VirtualBox, no, would only take a minute. So yun, lumabas ka agad. Please wait. Okay, so finish. Ganun kadali. So you must restart your system for the configuration changes made. Okay, so ino na lang natin. Ano? So ito na. I-click na po natin. No? Napakadali lang. It would only take 1 to 2 minutes lang. Right click, open, and boom! A fresh copy of your VirtualBox. So dito na po mangyayari yung i-add natin yung server at saka client using ISO image po, ha? Dito po yun. So ito i-click. Yun naman ay para sa ating part 1 kasi ito yung pinaka-intro natin, installing VirtualBox para sa ating series of video tutorials on computer systems servicing from part 1 to part 10. Okay, so ito lang muna sa ngayon. So wait for part 1 natin on how to install Server 2008 R2 and client side Windows 7. So para po ito sa mga CSS learners or students, grade 11 or 12, or even grade 9, 10, 11 or 12. This is very important. And also for those people who wants to learn more on computer system servicing CSS, no? Lalo pat yung naghanap ng trabaho abroad, kailangan daw nila ng in situ. So ito malaking tulong po. Okay, so that's it. This is Sir OER saying see you in our next video.